This is a very boring task. At the minute I'm just grinding this flat. At the minute this blade is reasonably sharp. It's not razor sharp, but it's sharp because earlier on I used the grinder and with the sanding disc on to bring down the profile of the blade. Now it's just a matter of oil stoning it. This is the rough side of the stone at the minute. Do both sides of the blade with the rough side, and then work on the smooth side, and then move on to the different grit sandpapers. I'll be starting off with a 220 grit sandpaper, then moving on to a 320 grit, then a 400 grit, and then a 600 grit final. I don't see the point in going through every single different grit of sandpaper you can get, because the soft oil stone will do most of the work anyway. And this is not a cheap oil stone, it's a high quality stone. It's something you might know as an indie oil stone. The underside of this is, the fine side is a reddish colour, but it doesn't look red at the minute because it's been used. Every now and then you gotta check it. Yeah, it's starting to nice flatten off. A bit more here to be done, and then make my way up the end, the rest of the blade. This is only the spine of the blade I'm doing at the minute. I've got to do the actual blade itself. But I did most of the work today with a file, fairly fine file. Flattened off the edge of this part of the blade here, flattened it up. So that shouldn't take too much. So far I've spent about 10 hours working on this fella. That's from cutting the steel and then forging it, then grinding it, then filing it, and now we're oil stoning it. I've used an old lorry leaf spring, so it was a fairly thick piece of steel, so I had to cut the width of it down, and then of course when I forged it I made it thinner. It's about 5mm here at the start of the blade, and it tapers down to about 3.5, 4mm tops. Yeah, that's starting to get there now. Actually I'm having to use a rag, otherwise I cut the hand. I won't be making a video of me doing this through the whole saw. This is just a small video. Now, I think that'll do for now.